Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Selloff Financial Network. Today is September the 9th, 2022. Here is the S&P monthly chart. We had a rejection on the month of July to SMA 20, but month of September so far is green bar. However, I wouldn't think this green bar would last forever. We are getting into next week. Next week would be a very, very important cycle that I have, September 12th to September 16th. Also, next week, Friday, would be the third quarter option expiry, which is a quadruple witching option expiry for the third quarter and also for the months of September. So there are very, very important days just because there are lots of institution game playing happening. And we shall see. We shall see how market is reacting. Here is the weekly chart. Here is the monthly chart. And monthly chart, as far as we are below SMA 20, trend is down, bearish. I know we have a very, very oversold condition in MACD stochastic, but these ones can stay there for a while. So we shouldn't pay attention to these ones. Going to weekly chart. Weekly chart, we reacted well to this area, which is kind of pretty close to the trend line in weekly chart. 3 weeks down, 1 week up. This week was phenomenon, was a substantial move to the upside. However, we had substantial bear market rally like this, but you see after that, even in months of March, we had this doji and then coming down sharply. Just look at the action after that, and also for the months of May, we had the same action as well. So 3 months down there, and I'm not surprised even if we get for the first 2 days, even 3 days for next week positive. But Tuesday, Wednesday could be kind of the topping formation for the market, I'm assuming. And then Friday would be very, very ugly as well. Thursday, Friday, I wouldn't give a chance to the upside by myself. And stochastic wise, we are just crossing over to the monthly to the weekly chart. MACD is coming down. RSI can't go above or stay above 50%, which shows a weakness in the trend. Also, if you see this dynamic trend line from top of the 2018, prior COVID crash 2020, and we are just getting rejected from this trend line. And this is just a very, very normal bear market rally, I would assume. It's not going to be a strong one, especially we are getting close to one of the pivotal point here is 41.29 to 41.68. I assume we are not getting there. I think we are getting close to that level. If you go to daily chart, let's go to daily chart. That's very important. So daily chart gives us more information about this. So we nailed the top here. We nailed the bottom here. I felt I'm getting quick to the short position, so that's why I'm stepped out. But before we find out that here is the area for the potential bounce, and we are getting close to this area for the potential bounce. Just let me just zoom in here. So the potential bounce would be around let's say 4,091 to maximum 41.20. So SMA 20 and SMA 100, that would be a nice area. And also look at this nice head and shoulder pattern here. So this head and shoulder pattern, we are going to test the neckline. So that is very, very important as well. So when we kiss that neckline, probably that's going to be the end of the rally. 3 consecutive positive days for the bulls to this important pivotal point. That's going to be enough, I think. Monday we should have pretty positive to sideways action, but again, end of the Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm ready for the short for the Tuesday, Wednesday, to be honest. That's going to be opportunity. Also, if you look at this, we had nice reaction to the stochastic, to the oversold condition here, but how quickly we are getting to the overbought condition. So probably 2-3 days. that's going to be enough. Even we don't need to wait for RSI to get to the overbought condition. Stochastic fast line is getting to the overbought condition. And also, if MACD just turning signal to the positive, that would be great opportunity. Just look at that, because we had the same price action here. It's getting down there. And also, when we are at the bearish trend line, overbought condition is very strong selling opportunity. So when we are getting overbought condition, oversold condition is very normal. So when you see oversold, you see how many times we are getting oversold signal, but how many times we are getting overbought signal. So rarely we get to the overbought condition, just because momentum is down. Momentum is not that strong for the bulls. So when we are getting overbought condition, that is going to be selling signal. However, for the next week, again, I just want to wrap it up. If we are getting to this area, probably to this pink box, just pay attention to the price action of the market. Just market is getting shaky and wacky. Probably we will get some bad news. I don't know, option expiry, everything can happen. And just be careful on that. When we are getting to, we are at 4,066. And if you're getting to the 4,080, 4,000, 4,100, that would be great area for shorting opportunities. So I try probably that one as well. Okay, next video is going to be NASDAQ and gold, and we have a couple of individual names as well. So make sure that watch those ones as well. Have a great weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.